Hello guys, this is Freddie with BRIGH10N Technologies. I wanted to show you guys our latest backup camera here at Audi Motorsports in the city of Carson. We have the setup of the Alpine ILX F309, and I wanted to really make sure that you guys get the latest and the best backup camera. We really focus on everybody's safety solutions for their vehicles. Simply what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and turn on the camera. As you can see right here, we have a full color imaging when it comes to reversing the camera. You have also the parking guidelines. What makes this difference a little bit more from everybody on the market is we have the dynamic moving guidelines. This will actually help you while you go on reverse and steer the wheels. You are able to know exactly in what direction we go on the vehicle as well. It is completely waterproof. It is compatible with CAN-bus and OBD module interfaces card. And we do have it available in 7 models available for you here at Audi Motorsports. Come and get it today and upgrade to a safer, better backup camera for your vehicle.